Are you curious about real Florida? Then join us in the backcountry as we eat some stellar home cooking, savor springtime, and spot a gator at a Florida staple. Welcome, y'all.
Hello! Happy spring! We are in Lake Alfred, which is a small kind of country-ish town, I would say.
Yeah, she agrees.
And we're exploring all that Orlando has to offer outside of Orlando because there's so much more than just theme parks. So we're taking a look at the beautiful Lake Alfred today.
Yeah, so Lake Alfred is kind of like southwest of Orlando proper, on the way to Tampa. It's a really small area. It was originally established by a couple of Midwesterners who were true snowbirds, moved from the Dakotas here to establish a small community. And now there's like 5,000-ish people, but it's got some beautiful antique stores. It's got like a really old back porch type southern restaurant. It's got a classic British tea party. So we are excited to show you more of local Florida and the outside of Central Florida area.
Hooray!
We're at our first stop in Lake Alfred, which is
The Barn Antiques.
And they also have a Back Porch Restaurant.
And the Stable Home Decor.
And we've heard a lot about this place. The antiques have been in business for over 50 years, and we are excited to spend this holiday weekend perusing for some antiques and some good old home cooking. What do you think?
Stained glass, antiques, furniture, all the things.
Who we got in there? Who we got? You excited?
This Florida gem goes by many names: the Stable Home Decor, the Barn Antiques, the Back Porch Restaurant. These are all located on the same family-owned property and provides an excellent opportunity to stroll, shop, and eat.
This reminds me of Secret Garden. It smells so good too. Look at those flowers. I've never seen anything like that before. It's a pine cone.
Is that for sale?
No, it's just on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Look at the size of this pine cone.
It's almost as big as you are.
Whoa.
We don't need Disney. We have the country, the pine cones. That's all we need here.
Pine cones make me happy, so happy. I'm happy to be with you.
We love to embrace each season and holiday, and clearly the owners do too, because the entire property was decked out for spring. The Easter bunnies were out and the flowers were blooming. It was so nice that we had to fight the urge to just frolic around the yard. This is definitely the kind of place you want to take your time and explore.
Yes.
And I'm so excited. I love rural countryside places with great hospitality, and we just talked to one of the employees here named Allie. So nice and sweet, and was talking to our little baby, so we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah, it feels like home. We're both from small towns, which we've probably mentioned many times, but we just love being able to feel like home when we are in such a big city. So.
Yeah, you get out of the tourist bubble and get to the locals, and I love it. If you come here, then you have to dedicate some time to shopping. There are 3 shops and 1 antique showroom on property, so there's a huge variety of merchandise to look through. This is boutique shopping at its best, where you can find everything from home decor to art, clothes, and jewelry. Everything is highly curated and top quality.
You see some stuff you like? Huh? You see some stuff you like?
This definitely has the feeling of like a high-end country store, but they all have like local designers and jewelry makers, and it's a great place to shop local. Want to look for some antiques?
Yeah.
Let's go see. We were most excited about the Barn Antiques, which has been in business for over 50 years. They specialize in furniture and small pieces from the 1800s into the early 1940s. Take your time walking through the 4 showrooms to see what historic gems you can find. This whole place smells of rich mahogany. We enjoy unique pieces, so hello, creepy carnival horse. And we made some new friends in the stained glass room.
Oh,
Hi, Doggy.
We found an employee.
hey, buddy. Oh, no. Oh, there's a cat, too.
Kitty.
Well, hello. Well,
Kitty, kitty. You want to smell the jasmine?
oh, is it good?
You smell it?
There is a gator. They have a pond in the back, and there's a gator right here. I realize you won't be able to see that on here, but you just need to live through my excitement because I'm pretty stoked.
Caleb has been wanting to see a gator for the last year and a half. He hasn't seen one since, what, January of 2021?
Yeah, for a Florida person, that's too long.
It's your first gator. What do you think?
He's come a little too close.
This gator is coming like right at us down there, and at first I thought it was threatening, but I think Michelle just said probably people have fed him, which you should not do, because that will make them come to you even more. I like to admire them from afar.
Yes.
We are foodies, so we could scarcely contain our excitement to eat at the Back Porch Restaurant. This place has been providing home-cooked meals from family recipes for nearly 40 years. Guests can choose to lounge at the Shady Deck Bar or dine inside in the beautifully decorated dining room. The food is country cookin' at its finest, and it's served in a very fun way.
What you do is you take a paper menu, and it's got a little post-it note at the top, and you write your name and your table number on it, and then you just fill out with these little pencils what you want on the menu, and then they bring it right out to you. It's served in a picnic basket. It's so cute. Chicken salad on a croissant, and a vegetable pasta salad, and then a paradise passion cake.
I can't even begin to describe how much fun we had eating at the Back Porch. The food far surpassed our expectations, the service was incredible, and the whole experience made us feel like part of the family.
World famous chicken salad sandwich.
It's so good.
The owner here is so nice too. The family is so friendly. These are down-home desserts that will make your grandmother say, damn, that's fine.
It's like a blondie at the bottom, but it's got like coconut, pineapple, cherries, and very light and fluffy whipped cream. It's so good.
If you need a better review of their desserts, you just need to look at our daughter's face, because I'd say it's successful.
Yep.
She won't let my finger go.
Oh yeah, our daughter loved the desserts.
We just finished at the Back Porch Restaurant. We had 3 combo meals and 2 beers. Total price was $29.
It was wild. We had a chicken salad croissant, a roast beef croissant, pasta salad, potato salad, 2 different desserts, and 2 beers.
2 different amazing desserts and local craft beers for the price of like 1/2 of a burger at Disney World.
Yeah.
So $29, delicious food, and it passed the seal of approval of little girl here because she
Oh my gosh,
loved
she
it.
loved everything. She tried all of it, and she loved it. Huh? Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you coming back?
Yeah.
So now that we just finished eating, we have to explore one more section of this sprawling family-owned property, and that's this like outside random
Secret garden.
secret garden
And we're gonna
of a
try
shop.
to get her to sleep.
Yeah.
The Backyard Garden Shop is full of beautiful flowers and curious finds to make your backyard a little more exciting.
Do you remember the movie Harriet the Spy?
Yes.
It's like the yard in Harriet the Spy, you know?
Good reference.
You can't get more of a natural environment than a tree growing right in the middle of their shop. We're gonna get one more beer before we leave because our child is asleep. So how about $9 for 2 great local beers to close out this wonderful place?
We hope you enjoyed this piece of local Florida, and if you did, please leave a comment below and hit that like button. Subscribe for more adventures on MiCaleb Goes West, and join us in our follow-up segment where we continue our local Florida explorations at the Lavender and Lace Tea Room in Lake Alfred. This will go down as one of our favorite local Florida finds, and we can't wait to show you. Good vibes travel, my friends.